Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you a process for how to get back YouTube dislike. Now for that, first of all, you open your Google Chrome and then you need to head to the Google Web Store on your desktop Chrome or your browser. You can type in return YouTube dislike extension. Tap and search. You will get this extension of return YouTube dislike. You just tap upon that link on the very top. Now here you just need to click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, and there you can see the extension has been added to your Chrome. This has the ability to bring back the dislike YouTube videos. This is how you can easily restore YouTube dislike or get YouTube dislike counts back. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.